Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are going to do some yoga, some breathing exercises and go for a walk. So I hope this motivates you all to start moving because movement is important. Karla means understand in Marathi. I'm back. It is still Monday. I'm going for a walk. I feel like walking. Someone entering the left. We are walking. The gym isn't open yet. This is my playground where I walk. I think I should walk, yeah. Still walking. It's been 20 minutes. I want to walk for 40 minutes, but I'm not eaten a lot today because I'm fasting. So fasting, I've eaten a lot of fruits. It's just to give your body a break for. I'm sure there's a spiritual reason to it, and there's a scientific reason to it too. So I'm just trying to take it easy. But I don't want to sit outside for long. So let's see. Walk for 8 more minutes to finish 40 minutes of walking outside. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Zid. Oh, I just have to prove something to myself that I can do this. At 40 minutes done. You feel so nice when you do what you think you set out to do. That's a backlight. That's wait, here. Feels so good to accomplish what you want to. I feel like walking more, but I'm not going to push myself because I want to wake up in the morning and walk and do yoga. So let's go home. I think I'm going to go to sleep early, honestly, extremely early even for me. Did I press? Yes! I just hit my leg. Don't stress. Now, I think I'll have to join 2 vlogs. This is not enough for one vlog. So see you guys in the morning. It's the next day, next morning. It's 6:30 a.m. Let's do this. Guess what I'm wearing? Surprise, white and black leggings. Like if you keep it simple, it's just easier to throw something on and go work out. And the workout part is important, not clothes, guys. Simplify our life. You'll see how men are, they're so uncomplicated. They just throw something on, work out. Why do we need so many things? There are women also who are, I don't know, everything has to be a clarification. What I meant was, as a woman, I need to simplify my life. You understand? The sun is coming out, let's do this. I haven't yet been able to do 10 Surya Namaskars. I do 8, 6. So I'm going to build at it eventually. Time to cross this thing. Okay, there are stairs to climb up here. There's a ladder, which is honestly, I'm not a fan of ladders. Let's do this. Practice was so good. I remember my yoga teacher had told us that yoga isn't about doing really difficult poses, it's about doing the simple poses and holding it for a long time to hold it for a long time. It feels so good. I'm fasting tomorrow for Mahashivratri. Today I was. The thing is that the last time I fasted, so I feel as though yesterday was the first time that I fasted properly, because the whole idea is that you don't overindulge. The last time I fasted, I ate a lot, like a lot, because I had sabudana, vada, khichdi, all that. This time I stuck to fruits, and you can also have milk, but I'm not a big fan of milk. I was just trying to do it right. And there's a scientific reason behind this. Uh, your cells need time to renew or something. I don't know, maybe I'm saying it wrong. But I don't know, I saw this thing that said that your old cells will be attacked, the ones that are not good. As in, fasting is good. I don't know what to say. 72 hours, they say you should try. And by fasting, I mean eating fruits, eating light. That's the whole point. So, last time what happened was that, rather not the last time, the time before that, the first time I fasted, I did the Nirjala one accidentally because I saw things online. Then I went to the priest at ISKCON temple and asked him last time I fasted, and he said that that's only once a year. So you are allowed to drink water, and you're not supposed to push your body. So if you can't do something, don't do it. Listen to your body. So the first time I fasted, I refrained from drinking water, and then at around 6 or 7, I got at around 5:30 I got really hungry, so I ate, and then I got a headache because I suddenly ate. So then I saw online that it said that you're supposed to eat, pace yourself, because if you suddenly eat, you will get a headache. So the last time I fasted, I ate a lot during my fasting day, and then the next day also, I started my day with a heavy meal, which because I was eating fruits and still lighter meals in comparison to what I usually eat. So now what I'm going to do is, long story short, I am going to eat pace myself. I'm going to have fruits, and then I'll have a vegetable juice, and then I'm going to eat something, so that my body doesn't get a shock of suddenly. Tomorrow is again, you can eat fruits. So it's not really fasting, it's just giving your body a break from grains and meat and spices also, for that matter. I'm going to go for a walk now, and that's the plan. These birds are so cute. Parrots are my favorites. So I've really been trying to get back to my breathing exercises. I think I'll have to attend class again because I need guidance while doing that. Hello, कैसे हो आप? ठीक हो? So I'm going to try now. I feel as though sometimes you just need a teacher or somebody to help you get back into things. So let's start. The idea, I remember, this is why you need to go to a professional or teacher. I remember I told you that you need to breathe in more than you breathe out. That's wrong. You need to breathe in and longer exhalations. That helps you get rid of tiredness also. So we're going to breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 8. Sneezing is optional. That was not part of this. Okay. This is what I'm saying. I'm getting very easily distracted. Lom Milom, let's try. I actually prefer. I forgot the name. Kapalbhati, yeah. So you breathe in, bend forward, breathe out, come a little piche, and then you wiggle your stomach. This gives a massage and massages your organs from inside, which is really good. Who doesn't like a massage? can do it at your own pace, whatever is comfortable for you. Now with the Lom, the idea is to breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. The breathing in part, I need to figure that out, pace myself. Breathe in really fast. That's all I could do for my breathing exercises. I'm gonna go put on my shoes and go for a walk. Should I do my journaling also right now but I like to do when the sun is actually coming out. Okay, so what's the time right now? 7:01. Put my shoes on. Okay, let me go put my shoes on and then figure this out. Sun is actually coming out, so I think I'll journal now because it makes sense to not get the book downstairs when I'm walking because I carry a tiny bag when I'm walking. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a walk. I finished my journaling,